Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your SkyStream box has become unresponsive, keeps freezing, won't load apps, or is stuck on the startup screen, performing a hard reset can often restore normal operation. Over time, temporary software glitches or incomplete updates can affect the way the device performs, making simple restarts less effective. A hard reset clears the current system state and allows the box to start fresh, which can resolve many common performance issues. Before replacing the device or contacting support, it's worth trying this reset procedure first. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to hard reset your SkyStream box safely. Number 1. Disconnect the power cable from the SkyStream box. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds before reconnecting it. 3. Press and hold the reset button if your model includes one while reconnecting the power. 4. Release the button when the status light changes or the reset screen appears. 5. Follow the on screen instructions to complete the setup after the reset.